Greeting of the day to all. It's me, Kanak Sharma, on the behalf of my group, going to present my final year presentation based on augmented reality, named as Augmented Reality Interactive Classroom, presented by Karan Kumar Gupta, Kartike Mani Parashar and Kanak Sharma under the supervision of Dr. K.K. Agarwal, Professor in Computer Department, Science and Engineering in ABS Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad.
So moving to my next slide, that is about index, which basically consists of introduction, AR in education, idea behind which we created this AR classroom project, then technologies, what we have used in it, and area we have covered, including our virtual button in AR classroom and image recognition along with their working and how they are connected in AR classroom. Research paper and publishing details are also mentioned in the slide. And related to that, conclusion and future perspectives are also given. So moving to my next slide, that is introduction. As we all know, nowadays 80% of the young people or youngsters mainly use mobile phone as the source of being active in the social platforms, play games and stay connected to their friends. Meantime, much lesser part of the young adults uses phone for studying purposes like doing homework, dig information about a subject, so the number of students doing such works is less. So we find AR has the potential to combine the smartphones along with the education system, which can ultimately develop the interest of the student in studies by providing extra digital information about any subject and make complex information easier to understand. Now moving to my next slide, that is AR in education. AR used in education as it is introduced in the traditional classroom. That is, basically we can introduce this AR in the education by introducing this in the traditional classroom. So AR can make studying or say educational experiences fun for the young and restless group of peoples who have gotten used to visual stimulation and interactivity. Simple example I would like to say is as what we can use in our classrooms or traditional classroom way of studying, that is by scanning the cover of the textbook, a student may get a short description of what he or she is going to learn after reading the book or what is all about the book is consist of. Smart choice can be made about the selection of learning material that will be the most suited to the task at the hand. Now moving to my next slide, as mentioned in the index, idea behind the AR classroom. So to combine the AR technology with the education is the first idea which we included basically in the idea mentioned in AR classroom. Then second one is it offers students to learn using the device which they love the most, that is smartphone, tablets, and soon they will be available to be used in the smart glasses which we called as AR glasses. So AR classroom, that is the last point we would like to conclude in it. That is, AR classroom is a software that provides students of a school such that they won't have any trouble operating with, and it can make them learn the concept easily with fun and what we say interactive and easy to understand. Moving to my next slide, that is technological stacks, what we have used technologies, that is Unity software, Vuforia Cloud. Next is the programming language, that is C#, and the last one is the Android SDK. Moving to my next slide, that is area we have covered. Now that include whatever image we scan, it shows the 3D model of the image, that is the part of image recognition. Then second one is the virtual button, according to which the gesture of the hands or what we can say finger, the AR object is changed and animated. So this is my next slide, which is describing about the virtual button in augmented reality. So we will discuss what exactly the virtual button is in augmented reality. Virtual button are the mechanism provided by the Vuforia augmented reality software development kit, which enables the user to interact with the image, also referred as image target in Unity game engine. This virtual button triggers the developer's specified function or event when touched on the given image. These virtual buttons are visible to the developer of the augmented reality software but not to the user of the same. So basically I will start two videos which having the deep explanation about the virtual button. So first one is related to human body. So in this, human body is in the AR classroom is the biological lesson part of this application, as we all know, in which the user can learn about organs in order to get a compact information about the specific organ on which user chooses, just using a single page which is stored in the Vuforia database as an image target. In this, the human body AR user views the image body diagram of human through the AR classroom camera and just tap on the organ drawn on the image target, and an AR 3D model will be pop out of this device, used in which the user is using the AR classroom application, whether it is a smartphone, tablet or AR glasses, where the user can learn about the organ, sees how it looks and how it works. So I am showing the live example of this working. So the same thing occurs in the Earth Layer project that I will show in video. It basically consists of three steps. That is, step 1 is user uses or clicks the hidden part. Then second is the specified action take place, and third one step is event switches as the user touches another button. Basically a 3D model is appearing. So I am playing the video. So have a look on it. Yes. So have a look on the video. So this is the look this is the video I have played. This is how we have used the virtual button in our AR classroom app. So hope you all like it. Now we will proceed towards our next tool that we have used in our AR app, that is image recognition. So what is actually an image recognition? It is a computer vision technology that makes it possible to analyze the resemblance between two pictures. Next, the image recognition in a AR is a feature being used to identify a particular image target and project a 3D model accordingly in the AR based application. Coming to the next point, I would like to tell AR feature that enables the app to recognize and track specific image to properly superimpose digital content onto them. Without getting too deep into the technical aspects, image tracking relies on the advanced computer vision technology to detect and augment image. To implement this functionality, developer must first predetermine which image they would like to use as AR trigger, which is also known as image target. The pre-established image target are stored in the form of target collection and are identified by the image tracker, which is responsible for analyzing the live camera view. Now I have two videos in front of you, so I am going to play them First one is the solar system, another is the AR book. So first video is solar system, so have a look on it. How this image recognition processing, or we can say, is done in AR application. User shows the image or the object, then image will be recognized and the 3D model will be displayed after recognizing it completely. This is the last step of this whole working. So I would like to play my second video, which is named as AR book. So have a look on it. Then I will go through the image processing really works in an AR application. So now there comes a point how image processing really works in AR application. So first point is that at first user will show the image target to the phone's camera via AR app, which is being installed in our phones. Second point is that the application must first recognize which page you are looking at from the live camera view. This is achieved by placing a distance picture or a shape on the page. Then that picture will be recognized and the animation can start immediately when tracked to the appropriate place on the page. Now my next slide includes that how they are connected in AR Classroom. Firstly, user will install the AR Classroom app on the mobile device. Second, then the user will show the image target to the device camera related to a particular study material that can be in the book or something else. This application must first recognize which image you are looking at from the camera. Third point, this is achieved by placing a distinct image or a shape in front of camera view. Fourth, then that image or a shape will be recognized and the animation can be start immediately when tracked to the appropriate place on the page as shown in figure. So next is how we can see the image recognition is done as shown in figure 1. The image is being seen to us. Then next is the virtual button plays a major role in this app, as we can experience AR while processing the image but also use virtual button to perform a task. This virtual button triggers the developer specific function or the event when touched on the given image as shown in figure 2. This virtual button are visible to the developer of the AR, that is augmented reality software, but not to the user. So my next slide includes conclusion and future perspective. So firstly is the conclusion. AR application helps in learning in a fun and interactive way or manner, we can say. AR enables interactive learning. And third is the AR application optimize the work of teacher and help them to teach in effective and efficient manner that makes the class interactive and interesting for the students. Then future perspectives are improving the environment by minimizing the use of paper. Second one is helping in building a better future. And third, this AR technology helps the student to learn wherever and whenever they want at any moment or any point of time.
Hope you all like the video. Thank you.